Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. We will talk about the FOMC today, but first and foremost, I received a question from Mike. Mike wrote in and said, "Hi, Mindy, one of your followers here. Just wondering what settings you use with your parabolic SAR in NinjaTrader. Thanks, and love and listen to your daily videos." Mike, thanks so much for your kind words and for writing in with a question. The answer to that is I don't change the settings. I use all the default settings other than the colors. For those of you that use the parabolic SAR on NinjaTrader, you might know that the default color is not the most appealing color. So I feel like if I'm going to be staring at these charts for any duration during the day, I want them to be appealing to my eye. So I often change the colors, as you can see here with my Ichimoku cloud, all kinds of different colors. They're not standard. They're just the ones that I chose. But in terms of the actual settings, I do not change them. I keep it very, very simple and just use the default settings. So that goes with all of my other indications as well. Now, let's talk about this FOMC. For those of you that are familiar with the FOMC 123 trade, this is how I was looking at it. So this was the announcement right here. This is a 2-minute chart on the Dow futures. So initial reaction down, big red candle. And then I kind of looked at this as, so that would have been down 1 and then up 2, sort of. So I actually went short in this section here. And as you can see, there was like no follow through, and then it just bounced right up after that. So patience would have been a good thing today, because if I had just kind of like waited through this chop, then a little bit delayed, this would have been a really nice up 2. So down 1, up 2, and then this is the beauty right here, down 3. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me point out something that gave me at least a little bit of a hint about where we were at, because I was a little impatient in this portion. Like, okay, what are we doing? Are we going up? Are we going down? But on this candle right here, it did, have a little bit lower point. And where I could see that really, really well was over here in the 5-minute chart. This is one of the reasons why I think multi-time frame analysis is absolutely essential, at least for the way that I trade. Why? Because this candle right here, which is the same as that low point there, what is this? Straight up doji, straight up fractal. So simple, basic technical analysis would say, hey, we might be shifting here. Hey, this may be a reversal candle, which it absolutely was. So this just kind of like got messy here. Gorgeous doji fractal, skyrocketed up from there. And then down 3, if you caught that move, that would have been real nice. You can see if we take a look at the ranges on some of these today, just huge. I mean, this is the Dow 472 on an average of 351. I mean, all of these are higher, so that is awesome in those indexes. And we did have this big red candle close below the 60-minute cloud, indicating potentially more of a downward shift. So we'll see. You can see on the daily, just a big red nasty candle. I love days like that though. So we'll see what happens from here. Your next target, if you were short this and maybe are potentially holding, which I am, I have one position on in this. This would be my next target is 38,159. Then if it can break that line, we'd be looking to here, and then this point down here around 37,910. So I hope you had a fun day today on the FOMC. If it didn't go that well for you, no problem. There will be another one in about 6 weeks. So you'll have another chance to practice that FOMC 123 trade. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.